Kabbalah is a mystical and esoteric tradition within Judaism, rich in symbolism, philosophy, and spirituality. Its origins are complex and multifaceted, drawing from a wide array of influences, historical contexts, and theological developments. This article explores the origins of Kabbalah, tracing its roots through ancient Jewish texts, cultural exchanges, and the historical conditions that fostered its growth. The seeds of Kabbalah can be traced back to early Jewish mysticism, which emerged in ancient Israel. This period saw the development of various mystical practices and beliefs, notably during the Second Temple period, 516 BCE to 70 CE. Texts like the Merkava, or Chariot, mysticism, which focused on visions of God's throne and the divine chariot, laid the groundwork for later mystical thought. The Hekhalot literature, part of this mystical tradition, describes ascensions to heavenly palaces and encounters with angels. This exploration of the divine realm reflects an early yearning for spiritual understanding that would later evolve into the more structured teachings of Kabbalah. During the Hellenistic period, Jewish thought began to interact with Greek philosophy and Gnostic ideas. The synthesis of these influences led to a more abstract understanding of God, creation, and the nature of reality. Philosophers such as Philo of Alexandria sought to reconcile Jewish theology with Platonic ideals, emphasizing the transcendence of God and the immaterial nature of the soul. The Gnostic emphasis on dualism and the quest for hidden knowledge also contributed to the mystical landscape of Judaism. This interaction with external philosophical systems would later influence the formation of Kabbalistic thought. The formal emergence of Kabbalah as a distinct tradition is often traced to the 12th century in Provence, France. This period marked a renewed interest in mysticism, coinciding with the broader cultural currents of the time. Jewish scholars began to explore the mystical dimensions of the Torah, focusing on the hidden meanings within sacred texts. One of the key figures in this early development was Rabbi Isaac the Blind, whose works laid the foundation for later Kabbalistic thought. He emphasized the idea of Ein Sof, the infinite, and the concept of divine emanations, which would become central to Kabbalistic cosmology. The most significant work of Kabbalah, the Zohar, was written in the late 13th century by Rabbi Moses de Leon in Spain. This mystical commentary on the Torah is a cornerstone of Kabbalistic literature and has had a profound influence on Jewish thought. The Zohar introduces the concept of the Sephirot, the 10 attributes through which God interacts with the world. Each Sephirah represents a different aspect of divine energy, and together they form the structure of reality. This system of emanations not only provides a framework for understanding the divine but also serves as a guide for personal spiritual growth.